Dito po, pwede sa national chairwoman dito. Yan po. Ayan, yung ating mga national po. Okay. People's Coalition Against Crime and Corruption Group, Certificate of Appreciation given to Honorable Vice Governor Alex Castro in grateful recognition of his invaluable support and service extended to People's Coalition Against Crime and Corruption Group, PCOG, given this gift of 20th day of April 2024 in the last opening of the Village 2, Barangay Bulanlupa, Pantin, Bulacan. Signed, our National President Rolando S. Pascual, our National Vice President Dr. Alexander M. Simbulan, and our National Advisor, Police General Benjamin C. Acorda Jr.